In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix White Shark microphone not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to check your physical connection. For 3.5mm headsets, you want to make sure that the mic is plugged into the correct, often pink color port, or try a different USB port for the USB models on your computer. If you don't know what the pink plug is, basically there's three plugs on your computer. There's green mainly for volume, and there's pink one mainly for your microphone. You also want to toggle the mute button. Verify that there is no physical mute switch on the cable or ear cup that is currently active. From there, we then want to head over to our sound setting. Type sound setting on your Windows right here. Click on the sound control panel and basically click on recording. In here, you then want to find your device, click on it, click on set default, and then you want to click on apply. You will see your microphone right here, making sure that your microphone is physically working. And from there, you then want to check for our privacy setting. So head over to privacy setting. And in here, you want to make sure that you let applications use your microphone. Now we can also update our drivers, and we have some application settings. Maybe you have muted on your Discord, on a Zoom call, on the video game that you are currently playing. And for the last fix, you then want to repair your headphones if wireless or if applicable. Now, if you're using a wireless model, you want to try turning it off, unplugging the USB dongle, and repairing the device. And from there, this will then help you fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.